Good evening. I have completed as much as I can on enhancement 7. I am having some really weird issues, and Andrew asked me to put my stuff in a zip and send it to him, but the security on his end will not let me send it all the way. So I'm just going to turn it in. I guess I don't know what else to do with it. Here is the validation that shows that my client update validated. And then you wanted to see, this will kind of show you what it's doing. It's really odd. Okay, so when I go in to go to log in, and I did fix the email, and we're going to go in with Benny and this one, and we're going to log in. So now I can go in and I can update, and as you can see, I got most of it done, right? Okay, so I'm going to change Benny to Benny's, and when I go to update the account, I get all kinds of strange errors, and it's all about the name on the client. I've always had it with a lowercase, but for some reason now my database has an uppercase. Andrew says it looks almost like I have two databases, but I don't know how that could be because I haven't done anything to the database. And of course, where this doesn't work, the other part's not working either. So I'm really not too sure what to do with it from here, but I did get it done. I had to wait till Saturday to do it. I'm almost all the way through with the 8 activities. I'm having a hard time with the last one. So anyway, but here's my 7, and thank you.